There is a high-stakes, silent war raging right now at the absolute pinnacle of professional imaging. And it is completely resetting the boundaries of what a single camera body is physically allowed to achieve. For generations, the camera industry was built on a strict, agonizing separation of powers. If you were an elite photographer who needed extreme high-resolution files for massive commercial billboards, fine art prints, or high-end magazine covers, you had to buy a heavy, slow studio camera that choked the moment you tried to shoot fast-moving action. On the flip side, if you were a sports photojournalist or a high-end wildlife filmmaker who required blistering burst speeds, massive buffers, and uncompromised video capabilities, you were forced to settle for a low-megapixel camera that lacked true fine detail resolution. You were structurally forced to choose between raw speed and ultimate detail. But behind closed doors, Nikon engineering went rogue. They looked at the compromise that has plagued elite creators for over a decade and decided to fuse both worlds into a single, terrifyingly powerful, battle-hardened chassis. The result of that defiance is a tool that shouldn't logically exist at its price point. The Nikon Z8 II. This is not just an incremental refresh. This is not a standard hybrid camera with a few minor software tweaks. This is a highly calculated, hyper-engineered assault on the entire flagship camera market. In this video, we are going to tear down the illusion of traditional camera limits, explore the mind-bending speed of its silent electronic architecture, and reveal exactly why your current camera setup is secretly holding your creative business back. If you think your current camera is handling your workload perfectly fine, you are about to discover exactly how much detail, speed, and revenue you are leaving on the table every single day. Let's first dismantle the dark psychology of modern camera marketing and the great megapixels lie. Most creators have been conditioned to believe that high resolution automatically means a slow camera that overheats, lags, and creates massive, unmanageable files that destroy your computer's editing timeline. Camera manufacturers have used this narrative to hide their own technological limitations, forcing you to buy separate bodies for separate jobs. They want you to believe that a true all-in-one flagship is an impossible engineering feat unless you spend an absolute fortune on a massive, bulky body with an integrated vertical grip that destroys your wrists during a long day on location. The Z8 II completely shatters this artificial boundary by using a revolutionary stacked sensor architecture that operates without a traditional physical shutter. Think about the mechanical complexity of older cameras. Every time you take a picture, a physical curtain has to snap open and shut. That physical movement introduces microscopic vibrations, causes mechanical wear and tear over time, and creates a fundamental physical speed limit. Nikon eliminated the mechanical shutter entirely. The stacked sensor reads data so incredibly fast that it eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter effect entirely, meaning fast-moving objects like golf clubs, aircraft propellers, or sprinting athletes never look warped or distorted, even when shooting at the absolute limit of the camera's speed. It allows you to capture full-resolution, 45-megapixel raw images at speeds that make traditional cameras look like antiques, all while remaining completely dead silent. It transforms the act of shooting from a loud, intrusive process into a stealthy, instantaneous experience of pure data capture. But raw capture speed is